Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the oldest ways of making money online, and that is making money by blogging. And this method is great for affiliate marketing, and if you are a beginner, this might be the best way for you to start. And I'm going to show you step by step how to make free blog, how to get free hosting. You can later add a custom domain, but hosting will still be the free. And I will also show you how to drive targeted free traffic to that blog. And you can use it to promote your affiliate offers, to promote your mailing list, to sell ad space, and so on and so on. But before we begin, if you find this video useful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. Also, I created a new Facebook group. I will leave you a link in description so you can join that group. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. I created a new ClickBank account to test this method, and as you can see, I made one sale in second week of May and I made $45 from that one sale. And I actually used Quora to drive free traffic to my blog. For those of you who don't know what Quora is question and answer website. And when you actually go on similar web, you will see that Quora got 542 million visits in May 2020. And most of those visits came from United States, United Kingdom, Canada and Australia, which means Quora has a big potential. And when you actually go on one of my Quora accounts, you will see that I got almost 1500 views on my answers. And this is the answer that actually got me the sale. As you can see, that answer got 1000 views in past 30 days, and that answer actually sent me, as you can see, 119 visits to my blog. So how did I actually do this? Well, I actually created a free blog on Blogger. For those of you who don't know what Blogger is a blog-made platform owned by Google, which means it's a trusted website. Now, to create your Blogger blog, simply go here and click on this B for Blogger and sign up with your Gmail account. Now you need to create your own blog. Let's say how to lose weight in 1 month. Okay, click next. And now you need to choose your domain name. I will make it same. Okay. And because this is a free blog, your domain will be how to lose weight in 1 month.blogspot.com. Now, if you are making this blog on WordPress, your domain would be how to lose weight in 1 month.wordpress.com. I forgot to say that you can use any blog making platform you want. You can use Blogger, you can use WordPress, you can use any other you want. So now we need to click on next. Display name, let's say Zoran. Sorry. And click finish. Okay, now we need to create a new article. Click here on this plus. And now let's go on Google and I will type how to lose weight in 1 month. And I will open this first website and I will just actually copy this article. But for this purpose I will copy this article, but I will strongly recommend for you to actually write your own article. I am doing this just for this example, and as soon as I finish making this video, I will actually delete this article. But I repeat again, make your own article. So I will copy this. I will come here and I will actually paste it. And as you can see, you can add photos, you can remove photos. And you should, on 2 or 3 places, you should add links to your affiliate or ClickBank product. You should add also 1 or 2 banners to your affiliate product, and I will give it a title, How to Lose Weight in 1 month. And now I will actually publish this article. Confirm. And let's just see how this looks. Click on view. And this is how our article looks. So now what I need to do now is I need to actually go back on Quora. And here in search bar I will type how to lose weight in 1 month. And look how many questions there are, exactly the same or similar questions there are. And you should answer on all of these questions and add a link to your blog post. I made just one blog post on that blog. Nothing more, just one blog post, and I was driving traffic from all of these questions to just that one blog post. So let me just show you how this works. So I will click on this first one for this example. And to answer on this question, simply click here on answer. And I will actually go back and copy my article from my blog. Ctrl-C, and I will come on Quora and Ctrl-V for paste. And on the bottom I will actually say source, how to lose weight in 1 month. And then I will go back, copy the URL, highlight this, and click here on link, and I will add link. Click on add. When you scroll down, it is now a link. Once or twice you can actually copy and paste the article from your blog, but if you do that more than one or twice, Quora will actually delete your answer. But I strongly recommend to write different answers for different questions. So all you have to do now is submit. Click on submit. I won't do that because, like I said, I just copied somebody else's article, and that's why I will not do this. But like I said again, you should make your own articles. After you answer on this question, just go back, answer on another question and another question and another question, and on as many questions as you can, and leave the link in all of your answers to your blog post and drive traffic to those blogs. The more questions you answer, the more views your answers will get, and that means you will send more people to your blog and you will make more sales. I talked with one guy and he said that he's paying one guy from Upwork to go on Quora every day to answer on questions and drive free traffic from Quora to his blog. And he's making about $1,000 per month from Quora traffic. So this method is so good that people are actually hiring freelancers to go on Quora, answer on questions and drive traffic, free traffic to their blogs. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.